really nice. Hey, this is James Bartley with Solar Pile Driver. We are back out here in Illinois. There was a couple posts that weren't on site when we were out here doing this 80-something post job. And this is using racking. We're out here, TickTock Energy did this system. Great install, clean work. I mean, you can actually see everything behind here. Just great work. But wanted to kind of show off this racking system. It's Advanced Racking is the manufacturer, and you know, DPW is the only other manufacturer I know that has adjustability. This has really close to the same amount of adjustability as DPW, but you know, just with this bracket alone, I kind of want to show this off. So you have to set your posts at a certain interval so that these line up where they're supposed to, but you've got this much play left and right, and then up and down you've got your play. And then if the post, like we're in Missouri where there's not great soil and there's lots of rocks and it happened to kick this way too far, you've got this slot on the back side for adjustability there too. So this actually has a pretty good amount of adjustability just in the head alone. Down here, this just bolts straight on, so you don't have that adjustability to take the belly out if you needed to. And then this bolts straight on as well. There's just two holes that are pre-drilled into these I-beams. I know that you do have to coat these with epoxy, but man, this turned out really well. I think on this one we had to follow the slope of the earth because to keep it level there was too much of a grade variance and the grade drop from left to right. But hey, what a great product. This turned out super well. Advanced Racking is the name of this product, and yeah, just kind of wanted to show this off for anybody that's ever looking into ground mount racking. There's lots of stuff out there, and you know, in Missouri, we're not in Missouri, but in Missouri there's lots of rocks, and so you kind of need a product with a little bit of adjustability, and I think this is one more to add on to the arsenal of products, which is really just DPW and this product as of right now. Everything else just bolts together. So yeah, kind of neat. Turned out really good. These guys do stellar.